Alright guys, so today my family is actually enjoying they're enjoying their Ivan they're enjoying their lunch. So today we're having lunch on the cruise ship. As you can see, they are done eating. We are in Palermo. So I'm gonna make a tour of the food, right? So as you can see there, you can eat anything you want. You can come there and eat. You can come there and eat. All right. So in here, that's where people are actually, dishing. They're dishing their food. Or you can have all kinds of food, different food, different food. See there, they're eating, they're dishing. You can actually have anything you want, right? Dishing. These are hot dogs, so you can have. And here it's a rice, and these mashed potatoes. I'm not sure what is this. I'm not sure what is this also. These are the ketchup and everything. So you can see here. I'm not sure what is the soup or what. I don't know. But this is just food. So your job is to wake up in the morning and eat food. Nothing else, right? You've got the pizza place where you can eat your pizza. You can have your pizza. That's where you see those are fresh pizzas. Yeah, as you can see there. Those are fresh pizzas. Those are fresh pizzas. Fresh. See now, that's the kitchen. All food all the way, right? As you can see. So now here, people are actually enjoying themselves. This is a buffet. It's such a big place where everyone is actually enjoying themselves. Here, you can see here, these are all the ships for the goods. Yeah, the place is too big, guys. I'm just moving. The place is very big. That's the bar. You can have any drink you want here. This is the bar, right? They're enjoying themselves. Right, this is another section of food. Also here, you can have anything you want, right? You have your, anything, fruits, anything you want to eat. You can have a lot of things, take home. So that's another section of the ship. So here you can have your drinks, your coffees. You have your coffees and everything, right? That's where you can have